Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to show you how to manage your power tailgate on your 2025 or 2026 Chevrolet Equinox. Maybe you walk up to the rear like this. If it has the hands-free functionality and it's not working, here is what you need to do. What you need to do is come to your 11.3-inch touchscreen. We're going to Settings. We'll go to Vehicle. We're going to go right here to Comfort and Convenience. And we go here to hands-free exterior storage. If it's not set to open only, if it's set to off, make sure to set that to open only, and then you won't have any more trouble. And that's not all you can do here. You can also change the height as to how far that power lift gate is opening. You can set it to maximum, you can set it to custom, you can even turn that off. Something else that you might want to come and look at if you're having trouble back there, that will also solve that problem. So I hope this tutorial was helpful to you for the 2025 and 2026 Chevrolet Equinox. If there's anything else, whether it's a Chevrolet product or some other vehicle that you want to see me make a tutorial on, tell me down in the comments section and I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video.